They said Apple's next MacBook would be boring. Same design, same display, same story. But deep inside Cupertino, Apple was quietly working on something that would flip the script. Because while everyone was waiting for flashy OLED screens and colorful new designs, Apple had a different idea. Massive GPU power, smarter AI performance, and next-gen efficiency, all inside a familiar frame. The result? The M5 MacBook Pro, the most understated yet overpowered laptop Apple has ever built. No drama. No redesign, just pure silent performance. So today we're diving deep into what Apple really did here, and why this quiet update could reshape the future of creative work. AI computing and MacBook performance itself. Grab your coffee, this one's big. The quiet drop that changed everything. Apple didn't hold an event. No stage lights. No one more thing. Just a press release and a cinematic launch video. Classic Apple minimalism. But that quiet drop tells you everything. When Apple skips the stage, it means they're confident, because the product speaks for itself. The M5 MacBook Pro looks identical to its predecessor. Same aluminum chassis, same ports, same mini LED display. At first glance, you might think that's it? But beneath that calm exterior, Apple's Silicon team has gone all in on GPU and AI power, a move that sets the tone for every MacBook to come. Inside the Silicon, the M5 power leap. Let's talk tech, because this is where the story gets wild. The M5 chip is built on TSMC's 3nm process, but it's the third-generation variant, leaner, cooler, and more efficient. It's powered by A17 class cores, bringing up to 15% faster CPU performance, which might not sound huge until you realize how it scales. But here's the twist. Apple didn't design this chip to impress with CPU speed, they designed it to dominate in GPU and AI performance. The GPU has been completely redesigned with higher sustained clock speeds, improved memory bandwidth, and smarter thermal scaling. And the results? Up to 40% faster GPU performance in creative and gaming workloads, 35% faster rendering and export times in apps like Final Cut, Blender, and DaVinci Resolve, dramatically improved AI task handling, faster, cooler, more power efficient. This isn't just a speed bump. It's a full-on shift toward GPU-centric computing. The AI era begins. Let's be real, the future of laptops isn't just about speed anymore. It's about intelligence. The M5 marks Apple's first true step into AI-native Mac. Computing, its neural engine and GPU cores are optimized for on-device AI, meaning your MacBook can now run complex AI models without the cloud. Whether you're running Stable Diffusion, training small LLMs, or editing with AI-powered tools in Adobe or Final Cut, the M5 makes it local, fast, and private, no lag. No data uploads, just raw intelligence, right under your fingertips. And make no mistake, this is just the beginning. Apple is building the foundation for Apple Intelligence on Mac, where your laptop doesn't just respond, it learns. The familiar look that hides the future. Yes, the design is the same, but that's not a mistake. It's a message. Apple is saving the big visual changes for 2026. When the MacBook lineup finally goes OLED, that means this M5 generation is the final and most refined chapter of the mini LED era. And, let's be honest, mini LED still rocks. You're getting incredible HDR, 1000 nit brightness, and deep blacks that still outclass most competitors. So if you love the current Pro look and display, the M5 might be your last chance to own Apple's perfected version of it, before OLED rewrites the playbook next year. The modular future, M5 Pro and M5 Max incoming. Now here's where it gets futuristic. Apple is quietly shifting toward modular silicon design. That means future chips, like the Pro and M5 Max, and won't just be bigger. Chips, they'll be custom-built. Systems that combine CPU and GPU blocks like Lego. Pieces. Want more graphics power? Add more GPU blocks. Need better computational performance? Add more CPU units. This modular architecture will let Apple scale performance faster, improve chip yields, and deliver hyper-optimized models for different users. So yes, expect the M5 Pro and Max in early 2026, with mind-blowing performance leaps and next-gen AI scalability. Real-world performance that matters. Here's what real users are seeing right now. Video editing, up to 35% faster exports in ProRes and H.265 workflows. 3D and gaming, smoother frame rates and reduced thermal throttling. AI workflows, 40% faster inference for models like Whisper. Llama and SDXL battery life, still up to 24 hours, yes. Even with that GPU boost, that's the magic of Apple Silicon. More power, same efficiency. You can run heavier tasks longer, without worrying about overheating or draining your battery mid-flight. Should you upgrade? Now, the million-dollar question, should you buy the M5 MacBook Pro? If you're a video creator, 3D artist, developer, or AI enthusiast, the M5 is 100% worth it. It's the first MacBook that genuinely future-proofs you for the next wave of AI tools. If you're a casual user or student, the M3 or M4 still deliver incredible value. And bonus? Their prices are dropping fast as the M5 launches. So if you're on a budget, this might be the perfect time to grab last year's powerhouse, the future of the Mac. The M5 is more than a performance bump. It's a signal. Apple is pivoting hard toward AI-driven performance. Modular chip design, OLED displays, smarter efficiency by 2026. We could see MacBooks tailored to professions, optimized for editors, coders, researchers, or gamers. It's a future where Pro actually means something different for everyone, and the M5 is the quiet first step toward that revolution. So here's the takeaway. The M5 MacBook Pro looks familiar, but it's a different beast inside. 15% faster CPU, up to 40% faster GPU, same epic battery life. Mini LEDs final form before the OLED revolution. AI-ready architecture built for the future of computing. If you're coming from M1 or M2, this is the upgrade that will blow you away. If you're rocking an M3 or M4, you might want to wait for the OLED monsters next year. Apple has quietly launched the M5 MacBook Pro, and while it looks almost identical to last year's model, the real magic is inside. The new M5 chip brings a major boost in GPU and AI performance, making it one of the most powerful laptops Apple has ever built, without sacrificing the MacBook's legendary battery life. Powered by A17 class cores and a redesigned GPU, the M5 delivers up to 40% faster graphics performance, smoother video rendering, and improved on-device AI capabilities. There's no flashy OLED screen yet. This model sticks with the trusted mini LED display, but that also makes it the most refined version of Apple's current design. For video editors, designers and developers, the M5 MacBook Pro is a silent beast built for the next generation of AI-driven creativity. And with OLED MacBooks and modular M5 Pro Max chips expected in 2026, this model marks the turning point for Apple's future in performance computing. Either way, Apple's message is clear. The future of the Mac isn't about how it looks, it's about how smart it becomes. So what do you think? Is Apple's M5 MacBook Pro the most underrated upgrade ever? Or are you waiting for that OLED redesign in 2026? Drop your thoughts below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe, because Touch Trove will be back with side-by-side benchmarks comparing the M3, M4, and M5 soon.